Sigma males are also recognized as lone wolves and can be considered the alpha male without a pack. They are always self-assured and generally successful. They prefer to do things on their own without the assistance of others, and they do not require validation from others because they are confident. Because of their independence, they appear to be the most appealing to women of all male categories. Almost any male can learn to be a Sigma male, which is why we will reveal the distinct characteristics of high-value Sigma males and how to become a successful one. Get rid of societal standards. Sigma males are people who don't need words of approval to prove themselves. They have a strong belief in themselves and believe that they can accomplish anything they set their minds to. They don't wait for people's approval, and they don't wait for people to tell them what they should do. To be considered a high-valued Sigma male, you must focus your mind on your intended goals and plan to achieve them without regard for anyone's approval or expectation. Society has a way of forcing us to compete with one another, but this is not the case for Sigma males. They create their own timelines and stick to them without trying to compete with anyone. If you want to be a high-value Sigma male, you must learn not to worry about what society anticipates from you. You should pay more attention to what you expect from yourself. Love your alone time. Solitude is one of the Sigma male's strong suits. They walk away from people to consider the best way to complete a task at hand. This is one of the factors they are known as lone wolves. They enjoy their alone time not because they are antisocial, rather they want to concentrate on their task and would prefer not to be interrupted in any way. To be a Sigma male, you must learn to value solitude in order to focus and achieve excellent results. This will help you think more critically and creatively when solving problems. Learning to be self-sufficient. Sigma males would rather screw up while trying and learn from their mistakes than constantly rely on others for assistance. They do value people and understand they are unable to accomplish everything on their own. However, rather than relying entirely on people, they tend to delegate responsibility to the correct person. They dislike having others control their lives, which is why they leave their fate to chance to their own hands. If you've always relied on others to do things for you, you'll need to change your ways if you want to be considered a Sigma male. You must learn to rely on yourself, which means you must learn to do things without always asking for help of others. Spend more time teaching yourself to do things rather than waiting for others to do them for you. Hunger for knowledge. Sigma males would not be called lone wolves if they did not know what they were doing and were unable to follow their path. When they see a need for a specific skill, they will quickly devote their time to learning more about that skill and applying it when it is required. If you want to be a Sigma male, you must have an insatiable thirst for knowledge. Always strive to learn new techniques and skill sets, especially when you know that these can be beneficial to you in the future. That knowledge may not always be useful in the present, but just think that it may be in the future. You won't want to make decisions based on what other people think. Instead, on what you've learned and come to logical conclusions about. Consider your options before deciding. Another strength of Sigma males is their ability to make sound decisions. This is not to say that they do not make mistakes. After all, they are still human. They do, however, use critical thinking and will generally consider all options before making a decision and strictly sticking to it. They would have done extensive research before making a decision, giving them an advantage over everyone else. Always consider your options before making a decision. As a high-valued Sigma male, this will help you bring your A game every time. If you follow these 5 steps, you will be on your way to becoming a Sigma male. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video of Superior Mentor.